你好，小朋友，今天我们一起上一节英文课，所以陈老师请你跟我一起做1、2、3，说英文。Alright, so in this video, we are going to learn about digraphs. Let's say this word together. Digraphs. Digraphs. So what are digraphs? We're going to watch this quick video and then we'll find out what are digraphs and where do we see them in words. Let's see.
Digraphs have two letters. Digraphs make one sound. Digraphs have two letters. Digraphs make one sound. Letter S, we say S. Letter H, we say H. Put the letters together and they make a new sound. Sh, sh, sh. You hear the sh sound in these words. Shake, shake, shake. Shine, shine, shine. Shark, shark, shark. Letter T, we say T. Letter H, we say H. Put the letters together and they make a new sound. You hear the sound in these words. Thunder, thunder, thunder. 30, 30, 30. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Letter C, we say K. Letter H, we say H. Put the letters together and they make a new sound. Ch, ch, ch. You hear the ch sound in these words. Chair, chair, chair. Chew, chew, chew. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Digraphs have two letters. Digraphs make one sound. Letter P, we say P. Letter H, we say H. Put the letters together and they make a new sound. You hear the sound in these words. Phone, phone, phone. Photo, photo, photo. Phonics, phonics, phonics. Letter W, we say whoop. Letter H, we say H. Put the letters together and they make a new sound. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You hear the whoop sound in these words. Well, well, well. Wheel, wheel, wheel. White, white, white. Digraphs have two letters. Digraphs make one sound.
Alright, so let's go back a little bit. So from the song, we learned that digraphs are two letters that we put them together and they make one sound. That is what we call digraphs. So like sh, sh, those are all digraphs, right? And most of the times in English, you find those digraphs either at the beginning of the word or at the end of the words. So that's beginning and end are mostly where you find digraphs, but sometimes you find them in the middles too, but mostly beginning and end. Alright, so let's see what kind of practice we are going to do on Seesaw today to practice digraphs, the digraphs we just learned about. So if you go to Seesaw, you will see November 16th, Assignment 1, Digraphs Practice. You're going to click Add Response. Click your name. All right, you will see that there's only one page for this assignment, only one page, but there are two things you need to do for this assignment. Number one is circle the words with digraphs with the right color. So for example, if the word has the digraph th, you're going to circle it with black. If it has sh, you're going to circle it with yellow, so on and so forth. Okay, so for example, let's see, I'm going to do black first. There we go. So I'm going to look for a word that has the digraph th. Oh, I find one that says true. Truth. Yep, so I'm going to circle it with black. Now I want to do one with sh. So I'm going to go to yellow. Sh. Let's find one. You guys are probably better at this than me. Oh, I find one. Sorry, it took me forever, but I find one. There you go. Fish. So I'm going to circle it with yellow. So you're going to go through all of those words on the list, and circle the words out with the right color. It might take you a while, but it's kind of fun to do some word search. All right, when you're done with all of those words, you are going to do number 2, which is click this button to record yourself reading these words aloud, so I know you know how to say these words. So for example, I'm going to do this. Start recording. Chick, much, pitch, spray, teacher, lunch, hatch, streak, cheese, stretch, thick, thread, truth, passway, them, sandwich, fish, whales, what, weather. And when you're done, you're going to click here, and then click the green done button. All right, so once you're done with both 1 and 2, you are done with this homework, and now you can click this check button to share your work with me. So that is our practice for digraphs today, and that is your English homework.